students! How are you all? Hope you are doing great. My name is Priyankamam. Today I am going to discuss about the birds called woodpeckers. They are known for making holes in a tree bark to find insects to eat. Most woodpecker lives in forests, spending their lives mainly in trees. There are about 180 species or kinds of woodpecker. They have a strong tail feathers that support the bird as it holds itself on a tree trunk. They have super long tongues and furry noses. They have a small crest or tufted feathers on their crowns. They are a type of bird with long sharp beaks. Woodpeckers get its name from how they tap on a tree trunk with their strong beaks and chisel holes in wood. They occur nearly worldwide except in the regions of Australia and New Guinea. In addition to eating insects, they also like berries and nuts. They create new holes each year and their old holes are often used by other birds. The average lifespan of these birds is 4 to 11 years depending on the species. Now let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. Woody, woody, woodpecker, what do you eat? Insects from the shady trees that blow sweetly in the breeze. Woody, woody, woodpecker, how they taste. Not like sweet honey got by butterflies and the bees. Woody, woody, woodpecker, what do you eat? Insects from the shady trees that blow sweetly in the breeze. Woody, woody, woodpecker, how they taste. Not like sweet honey got by butterflies and the bees. Let's sing it again. Woody, woody, woodpecker, what do you eat? Insects from the shady trees that blow sweetly in the breeze. Woody, woody, woodpecker, how they taste. Not like sweet honey got by butterflies and the bees. Woody, woody, woodpecker, what do you eat? Insects from the shady trees that blow sweetly in the breeze. Woody, woody, woodpecker, how they taste. Not like sweet honey got by butterflies and the bees. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.